In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate captions in Google Meet. Whether you're looking to communicate better during international meetings or simply want to add another tool to your collaboration repertoire, this guide will help you utilize Google Meet's live caption translation feature effectively. Let's get started on making your virtual meetings more inclusive. First, you'll want to head over to Google Calendar. This is the gateway to accessing your scheduled meetings and, importantly, to joining them via Google Meet. Once you're in Google Calendar, locate the specific meeting you need to join. You will see an option labeled Join with Google Meet. Go ahead and click on that. By doing this, you're opening up the meeting space where you can access additional settings to enable and manage your captions. After clicking to join via Google Meet, a new window will open, presenting you with the meeting interface. Don't be daunted by all the options here. We're going to focus on how to access the caption settings specifically. Next, you'll spot a button that says Join Now. Click on it to enter the meeting. It's worth noting that you'll likely land in the main meeting room where all participants are connected, and you'll have a variety of tools and options at your fingertips. Once you're in the meeting room, you'll want to focus on the lower right corner of your screen where there's a menu titled More Options. Clicking here will unveil a drop-down menu with several settings. Look for the Settings option and click on it, which will prompt another window to appear containing various configuration options for your meeting, including those for audio, video, and our focus today, Captions. In the Settings window, navigate to the tab labeled Captions. By clicking on Captions, you'll access the features that control live captions during your meeting. Enabling live captions will allow spoken words in the meeting to be transcribed in real time. Once this feature is activated, you'll need to select the language you wish to translate into. This feature is designed to aid comprehension for participants who might speak different languages or who have hearing impairments. Now, to set the preferred language for the meeting's captions, look for the Language Selection feature. Here, you'll find a variety of languages to suit your audience's needs. Choose the appropriate language to ensure everyone can follow along seamlessly. Once you've selected your language, you can close this settings window and it will save and apply the changes you've made. And there you have it. You've successfully set up translated captions in Google Meet, a feature that enhances communication and ensures greater accessibility for all participants. Remember, incorporating these tools can greatly enrich your meetings, making them more engaging and inclusive for everyone involved. Thanks for tuning in and best of luck with your future Google Meets.